Welcome, student, to the world of metals and non-metals. This is part 1 of 30 plus MCQs with answer explanation. Let's start. What item does Sudarshan make using iron? And correct answer is B, bucket, tong and farming tools. Which material is used along with iron for making tool handle? And correct answer is C, wood. Why does Sudarshan beat the red hot iron block? And correct answer is C, to shape it. Which property allow metal to be beaten into thin sheet? And correct answer is B, malleability. Which of these is most malleable? And correct answer is D, gold. Which material is brittle? And correct answer is C, coal. Which item is not malleable? And correct answer is A, coal. Which metal exists in liquid form at room temperature? And correct answer is C, mercury. Why is copper used in electrical wiring? And correct answer is D, it conduct electricity. The property of drawing metal into wire is called. And correct answer is D, ductility. Which of the following is ductile? And correct answer is C, aluminium. Which of these is a non-metal? And correct answer is B, sulfur. Which material is used to make veena and sitar string? And correct answer is A, metal wire. Which metal is the most ductile? And correct answer is B, gold. Which property makes metal coin ring when dropped? And correct answer is C, sonority. What sound does a metal spoon make when dropped? And correct answer is B, high pitched ring. Which of these is not sonorous? And correct answer is B, coal. Why are cooking vessels made of metals? And correct answer is D, they conduct heat. Which material is a poor conductor of heat? And correct answer is D, wood. Why are pen handle made up of wood or plastic? And correct answer is C, they do not conduct heat. Which of this material is a good conductor of heat? And correct answer is C, copper. What is the term for the transfer of heat in solid? And correct answer is B, conduction. Which material allow electricity to flow? And correct answer is A, iron. Which object made the tester bulb glow in the circuit? And correct answer is B, aluminium and iron. Why electrician use rubber glow while repairing electric wire? And correct answer is C, it doesn't conduct electricity. Which of these is both malleable and ductile? And correct answer is B, iron. Which of the following is not a use of metal? And correct answer is B, making mirror. Why was copper used before iron historically? And correct answer was D, it was softer and easier to extract. Which of these cannot be flattened by hammering? And correct answer is D, coal, which is used in thermometer. And correct answer is B, mercury. Thanks for watching my MCQ channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get regular update. Thank you.